Can you solve all these Class 2 English Chapter 4 rain questions? Plural of tree. Right again. Trees is a valid answer. Who brings rain? You're right. Clouds is the correct answer. Plural of ship is. Well picked. Ships is the correct answer. Dash brings rain. Right choice. Cloud is the best answer. Ships can be seen in. Correct response. C is the most accurate answer. Rhyming word of fall. Good thinking. Call is the right answer. What sails on the sea? Strong choice. Ship is the right answer. Plural of umbrella is. Perfect. Umbrellas is the correct choice. Find out the wrong pair. Nice work. You chose one boy, two boy, and it is correct. Rhyming word of brown is. Smart pick. Clown is the correct choice. Where does the rain fall? Sharp thinking. On ships and trees is the right choice. What things live in water? Great thinking. Fish is the right choice. Hindi meaning of field is. Well done. Maidan is the right choice. The rain is dash all around. Clear logic. Your choice raining is sound. Choose the correct spelling. Excellent choice. Field is the right answer. Rain plus bow, it formed the word. Valid point. Rainbow is true. And on the ships at the dash. Solid response. C is a valid choice. What is the opposite of good? Nicely done. Bad is a solid answer. People use dash when it rains. Exactly. Umbrellas make sense. Rhyming word for daughter is. Correct. Water is the right answer. Rhyming word for tree is dash. Excellent. Free is a brilliant choice. Frogs can be seen mostly in the. Smart move. Pond is an accurate answer. The ship is sailing on the dash. Good job. C works well here. Complete this words dash o dash. On track, NW is the correct answer. We see dash in the sky at night. You got it? Your choice stars and moon is right. The dash flows from the mountain. Great job. River is the accurate answer. What do people use when it rains? You chose umbrellas, and it is correct. In this poem, it did not rain on the. Well reasoned. Girl is the correct choice. What do you see in the sky at night? Bravo, moons and stars is the answer. Where does the rain fall in the poem? Nice selection. Field is the correct and valid answer. Which of these words rhyme with tree? Good job. 3 works well here. Choose the word that rhyme with down. Great thinking. Crown is the right choice. Which is the rhyming word of daughter? Nice selection. Water is the correct and valid answer.
Which one of these is not a water body? Well picked. Field is the correct answer. Which one of these animals live in water? Smart pick. Fish is the correct choice. Which one of these words rhyme with not? Sharp thinking. Pot is the right choice. How many main seasons are there in India? Correct. 3 is the right answer. The word is formed by joining two words. Rain plus bow. Right choice. Rainbow is the best answer. How do children protect themselves from the rain? Right again. Umbrellas is a valid answer. Which of the following animals sound is heard in rainy season mainly? Strong choice. Frogs is the right answer. What do you call this? Well reasoned. Hot is the correct choice. What does the picture represent too? Good thinking. Moon is the right answer. Correct spelling for the given image is. Well done. Umbrella is the right choice. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Perfect. Contact Narayan Changder on Facebook is the correct choice.